জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
Hey, Rangana, where are you off to?
I am going to the hospital, aunt. I am taking the holy offering and flowers for Dripto.
Please listen to me. It's too late for you to go alone.
Please, don't try to deter me, Aunt Pratima. Please let me go.
Don't try to force it, Rangana. It's way too late. Don't go alone. Instead, call Jeet and the others.
Correct.
Why can't you understand? I can't sit quietly over here. I'm scared.
All of us are concerned for Nayan and Deepu. But going there won't help them in any way.
No. I'm not afraid of that. I have a feeling that Chowmin is the main conspirator. She might reach the hospital and try to kill Dripto and Nayan. What will happen then? Oh, I should get there.
Meaning?
Do you even need to ask? She's the main culprit. She tried to destroy evidence.
Try to destroy evidence?
Yes. My friend suspected it. That's why we followed her. Chowmin held that guy captive over there. We were able to reach there.
Rangana, what are you saying?
I am speaking the truth. He is the real father of that horrible Chowmin's unborn child. Chowmin released a snake into the room to get rid of him. If we hadn't reached there at the right time, he would have died. However, while my friend saved him, she got bit by the snake instead.
I got another opportunity to turn the tables. Everything is clear as day to me now. All of it. Jasmine probably thought that Nayan might have already informed Deepu. That's why she killed Deepu. Alas, she killed my boy. I won't spare her. I'll make sure to end her life.
You? Why have you returned? Huh? You murderer? A terrible woman. I'll find out the whereabouts of that man. I'll prove that he is the father of your unborn child.
Save me! Why are you clutching my hand so firmly, Dripto? What exactly have I done? I did nothing. I don't know any of it. Nurse! Injection! Quick!
Dripto. Hey, Dripto. What's the matter with you?
He didn't grab your hand consciously. Due to a severe shortage of breath, he clutched your hand while trying to grab something. Please vacate the room. The patient's condition is deteriorating. Let us treat him.
No, I don't believe you at all. You will kill Dripto at this rate. Listen, I'll transfer Dripto to some other hospital. Please release him, please.
Jeet, what are you even saying?
Dripto's condition is deteriorating. Let him stabilize. Where will you transfer him in such a condition?
Please try to understand. The injury to his head is far too great. Relocating him will affect him severely.
His condition is already worsening. You can't see how much he's suffering. Look at him. Just look at him.
The disappearance of Nayan Basu is just an accident. Please don't relate this to it. We are giving our 100%. We have run tests for his head injuries. We are waiting for the reports on it. Please cooperate with us.
Dripto, I'm not leaving you aside. You may try to leave us behind, but I won't let that happen, Dripto. I'm right here, Dripto. Right
Jeet,
beside you.
Come out with me, Jeet.
No, I won't go. I won't leave his
Come with
side.
me, Jeet.
I told
Come
you
on.
I will not leave.
Doctor, you please continue your treatment.
Dripto.
Uncle Vicky, come
Dripto.
along. Come on, Jeet.
Dripto.
Try to understand.
Oh Lord, hope Dripto dies. Oh Lord, let my wish come true.
Here he is. This is the guy. He is the father of Chowmeen's unborn child. Believe me, I am telling the truth. When my friend was providing the description at the police station, it turned out to be his sketch. Oh, you are...
Keep quiet. How dare you bring him to our house? I have cared for you since I thought that you were pregnant with Deepu's child. And you were plotting? What a terrible and awful low life you are. Jasmine, you dare to block my hand?
Okay. How can it be an offense to stop you when you tried to raise your hand on me?
At least you shouldn't speak about right and wrong. Shame on you. And you tried to slander such a noble person as Deepu? Aren't you ashamed of yourself for coming here with that guy?
Why should I be ashamed? I can't make out any head or tail of what you're saying. You can't or you do not want to. You tried to frame Dripto as responsible for your pregnancy while that guy was a real father. Are all of you out of your minds? Why will he be the father of my unborn child?
Is that so? Then who is it?
He's my cousin, Shomak. I brought him here to introduce him to Dripto. By the way, where is Dripto? What?
What should I do? He isn't responding to any medications. I have to apply the lysine drug once more.
Doctor, I'm very scared. Will she be able to survive?
Nayan? Nayan? Nayan, are you still asleep? Dripto is in critical condition. Who will save him if not you, Nayan? Wake up, Nayan. Wake up. I passed on the responsibility to you. I gave you the responsibility to protect him. Nayan, you are the shield to protect Deepu. It is not the time to lie idly. Open your eyes. Nayan, you have to wake up. Nayan? Wake up, Nayan. Wake up.
It is not possible. It can never be possible. He can never be Chow Min's cousin. This is so strange. Why can't he be? Keep quiet. Just keep quiet. You are lying. Grandma, Aunt Pratima, listen to me. Don't believe her lies. My friend foresaw in her vision that he would die from a snake bite. That is why she followed Chow Min in order to save him.
Rangana, listen up. I don't know about anyone's versions, but how can it prove that Shomak isn't my cousin on the first place?
Listen, why would you try to kill him if he were your cousin?
What? What are you going on about? Why will I try to kill him?
Are you asking me the reason? Don't try to play dumb in order to get rid of the evidence. Tell me the truth. Didn't you release a snake in his room? He was crying for someone to save him. Listen to me. Hey you, why are you standing still? Weren't you screaming for your life because of the snake?
I don't know what you're saying. You accused me of being the father of Jasmine's unborn child. Now you're talking about snake. I mean, why I will raise a snake alarm? Are you out of your mind?
What? What are you speaking of? Weren't you there in Chow Min's farmhouse?
Yes, I was. Ever since I came to Kolkata, I've been staying there. But why will a snake be present there? Tell me.
Hey, Pratima, I don't understand the meaning of all this. Every person is weaving their own version of the tale.
Mother, even I am totally confused. Rangana, please speak up clearly about it. I am telling the truth, Aunt Pratima, but...
Now everyone seems to be a bit confused. Good job, Shomak. Good job. I will have to up my game a bit. Rangana, it seems that Nayan has corrupted your thoughts by saying such things. I also know that Nayan will appear and try to exaggerate this play further. Where is Nayan? Call her. Tell her to come and aid you.
It seems Jasmine is trying to turn the tables. By any means, I have to shift the blame on her. I have to change the direction of the play. Don't put up an act, Jasmine. You are well aware that Nayan isn't at home. She has been bitten by a snake and is admitted to the hospital. She's in a critical condition. All of it occurred in your farmhouse. You are responsible.
What? She's still breathing? Even after getting bitten by such a venomous snake, why isn't Nayan dead yet? What are you people trying to say? I don't understand any of it.
What? You have no idea, right? Listen, whatever happened to my friend transpired at your farmhouse. It happened in front of my eyes. Let Dripto and Nayan recover once. I will be the one to punish you once they return.
What do you mean by Dripto getting recovered? Where is Dripto? What happened to him?
Aren't you already aware of it? Are you still playing dumb? That's a great act, Jasmine. However you try to pretend, you won't fool us anymore. You are the one to push Dripto down from a high-rise building. That's why Deepu is at death's door now. You will have to suffer the consequences of your sins. You must!
What? I don't understand how Dripto could drop down from a building.
He fell from a great height. He fell from a great height. I must go and save him. Let me go. Let me go, please.
What's the matter,
Stop me.
dear?
Let me go. Let me go,
dear.
please.
You haven't recovered yet, dear. Getting excited will worsen your condition. Please calm yourself, please.
Who's it? Who are you people? I don't recognize any of your voices. Who are you? Where am I? Where am I?
Don't worry. You're in the clinic of a hermitage. But how did you arrive here by boat, dear? Who's got you on it?
What? A boat? Boat? But I was... snake. A snake bit me. I was bitten by a snake. I was bitten by a snake, I remember.
You were bitten by a snake. But how did you get on the boat?
I don't know. I can't remember anything after being bitten by this snake. I only had a vision that Dripto was falling from a great height. I have to go to him. I must go to him. I have to go visit Dripto. Mother told me. She told me that he's at death's door. I must go. I must
Dear,
go.
please wake up.
Don't
I cannot be.
Stop.
hurry.
See, you fell down. Come on, get up. Get up. Did you get hurt? You shouldn't get so excited in such a weak state, dear. Come, sit here. Sit down quickly. Let me see where you got hurt.
Wait, Kuruma. You are not able to watch anything. Is that right?
What?
No, I can't. But I still have to go to Dripto. I must go to him. Otherwise he won't come alive. I'm telling you. Please let me go. I'm begging you. Please leave me. Just let me go. Just let me go. I want to go. I want to go to Dripto. Please don't stop me. Don't. I have to save Dripto. Let me go. Please don't stop me. Let me go. Let me go.
Her condition isn't good at all. If she keeps reacting this way in such a state...
Dr. Baba, please do something.
Yes. I should give her a sedative to make her sleep.
No.
Wait a bit.
Be
No,
quiet.
stop.
Be quiet. Lay her down. Doctor, please do something.
Easy.
I have to
Easy.
save
You can't get up and get sick, dear. Easy.
I have to save him. Please let me go.
I am relieved for the moment. But Guruma, she said something. She was saying that she saw someone fall from a great height and that person was in a critical state and she was talking about going to rescue him.
I can't say. I also didn't get her properly. We won't be able to know anything until she recovers about her identity or where she came from. No. I can't let her leave in this condition. She won't be leaving until she recovers. Keep her under your watch, everyone. The blessings of Lourdes Kali will enable her to recover soon.